Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So my name is Preeti Gupta and today we'll discuss about another series, another tutorials and another topic also. So let's start. I'm sharing my screen, okay? Wait for a minute. Okay, so today we'll discuss about the implicit object, JSP implicit. So what is JSP implicit? Okay. So JSP provide now 9 bolt in object called the implicit object. So what is implicit object means they are provide JSP provide what 9 built-in object means predefined object that's called a implicit object. Okay, that's we can use it without declaring them. Okay, they allow JSP page to interact with request data, response, sessions, and many more. Okay, so what is JSP implicit object? So JSP implicit object basically when JSP provide no 9 built-in object called implicit object. That means that can we can use without declaring them. They allow JSP to interact with request data, response sessions, and many more. Okay. So let's move to the second slide. Wait for a minute. Yeah. So, they are the list of the implicit object. Okay, let's discuss about. So, what are these? First one is request means what? First one is what? This all are the implicit object. 9 built-in implicit object means the request means use data from the client from input URL params. Okay, when you like user to get data from the client, like for example from input, yeah, URL params. Okay, response means what used to modify the response sent to the client. Okay, something modify used to like something modify, then they send to the client. This time we have to use in response built-in implicit object. Okay, third one is out, means we can display the data from the browser like system.out.println like that. Okay. Session means a stored user data between a request. Okay. Session means what? When you store the user data between the request. Application means what? Share data across the whole applications or users. Configure means servlet configuration. Object page context means what? Provide constraint for the current GSP page. And page means what? Refers to the current GSP page as an object. Exception means what? When we a user used to the error page to handle their exception, that time we have to use in exceptions object. Okay? They all nines are inbuilt implicit object. Hope you got this point, right? Yeah. So why we use them? This is also important terms. Why we use them? So they are basically used when they reduce the boilerplate code. Like example, wait for. I just want to be a full page. Wait for a second. Yes. So why we use them? So basically, when we use them, when they reduce boil code means they don't need a multiple code like nested code, so they reduce on them. Examples like request that get parameter inside we have to use in some parameters means no need to create separate request object, right? uh, let's say another example out that println means no need to print writer means have you watched about previous tutorials survey tutorials in we have to mention that we just display some message to the browsers like we can define as a print writer class, but these terms in JSP, we don't need to write a print writer. Means they just use them. They reduce their boiler code. So that's why we use in what implicit object. There are the nine main implicit object on them. Okay, so that's all. Tomorrow we will do some use them implicit object, and we will do some code also. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening me. I hope you understood all the things. And bye bye. Take care. Have a good day. And please don't waste your time. Don't be motivating. Be keep signing. Keep learning. Okay. If you have any query, please let me know. And please comment on chat box also. Hope you understood each and everything. Thanks for and bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.